Now let's talk about AWS. So as we all have heard this term AWS, that Amazon Web Service is something which basically provides a cloud, or it's a cloud service provider. So we know that AWS, it was like they launched these cloud services back in 2006, and since then they are just growing and growing and growing again and again. And every year they are coming up with some or other services. They are launching their services in a different areas, in different regions across the globe, and almost now they have spread it over to the multiple regions around the world. And like, you would be glad to know that they have around 70 regions across the world where these services are hosted, as well as within that region there are sub regions where you can from where you can access their services. So Amazon Web Service is nothing basically, but it's a popular cloud platform which offers you a reliable and scalable cloud computing service. Basically, it allows you to pay for only those services which you are using. So if you talk about a storage service, if you talk about a compute service, or if you talk about database service, so let's say if you have configured a MySQL instance. Now, once you have configured the MySQL instance, so after that you are using a MySQL server for an hour. And after that your work has been completed, you have configured a database, you have created the table, and all the schema activity has been done. Now, after an hour, you can just go and you can stop your instance, and the billing will not be charged for your instance. Now, AWS not only provides the computing, storage, networking services, but they also help you with the application deployment and other advanced services. Okay. So basically, we can say that AWS cloud is nothing. It's a collection of different servers and services which are connected to internet and which can be used by businesses or by their customers. Okay.